The 3D heat map reveals the integrity of the pylon. We are looking for any anomalies that could compromise the structure under extreme G-force.
The stress-resistant simulation confirms the material batch exceeds the minimum safety thresholds for the VFA-147 integration.
Verified.
The titanium mounting plates move down the conveyor for process B, then enter a specialized cleaning station where they undergo a powerful solvent bath.
The structure is loaded into the thermal vacuum chamber. This critical step ensures maximum durability and prevents fatigue failure under flight loads.
Readings are stable on the starboard side.
Confirmed. The laser alignment is within tolerance.
Check the alignment on number 3. Looks good from here. Final torque applied.
A precise robotic sprayer applies a specialized anti-corrosion sealant to the VFA-147 fuselage. Environmental testing exposes the pylon to rapid temperature changes and high humidity, ensuring structural integrity in any global environment.
The hydraulic actuators for the Super Hornet undergo a high-pressure cycle test, simulating hundreds of operational cycles.
The specialized receptacle is meticulously cleaned and lubricated with aerospace-grade fluid by a small robotic nozzle.
The calibrated hoist gently places the pylon onto the sensitive digital scale. The system instantly verifies.
The digital thermometer and hygrometer display stable levels optimized for the aerospace composites.
Okay, let's bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance.
Clear. Moving towards the jig now.
This high-torque bolting sequence ensures uniform stress distribution, permanently integrating the pylon structure into the Super Hornet's airframe.
The manifold is exposed. We need the torque wrench for the final connection. Roger that.
Ensure the compounds are applied evenly before mating the interface. This low-pressure cycle verifies the integrity of the jettison mechanism, crucial for the aircraft's emergency systems.
Uploading the configuration file now.
And we have confirmation. External pylon status is nominal.
Nitrogen feed is open. Confirm pressure increase.
Reading nominal. Process secure.
The readings confirm the integrated structure is absorbing the maximum simulated load within the safety margin, verifying successful mechanical integration.
All parameters nominal. Structural integrity confirmed.
Hydraulic and fuel systems green. Electrical check complete. We are certified.
Moving from specialized component integration, the Super Hornet fuselage now traverses the vast factory floor towards final assembly.
Here in the state-of-the-art paint booth, the Super Hornet receives its VFA-147 Argonauts tactical gray base coat from the automated sprayers.
All right. right, bring her forward another 20 feet. We are clear of the hangar. Bring her up 5 inches, hold.
Steady, steady.
Okay, engaging the sway braces now. Confirm seated. Aligning centerline tank. Stand by for lock confirmation.
Copy that. Proceeding with integration sequence.
With a heavy mechanical thunk, the external tank integrates with the pylon. The green light confirms the lock, followed by the connection of the certified plumbing.
The aerodynamic shape of the pylon minimizes drag, allowing the jet to maintain high performance, confirming the integration.
Clear the deck, move it out! Bring her forward, easy now.